In this video, I will be demonstrating contrast vertical stranding. This is a technique that uses one strand of a contrast color to create a column of stitches on a background of your main color. Each contrast stitch sits directly above the one below, and any movement side to side is created by an increase and a corresponding decrease on either side of that column. So let's get started. I'm just knitting stockinette over to the point of my contrast color. In this case, I'm just going to be working straight up. No increases or decreases. I'll be meandering back the other way when I get a little bit higher. So once we've reached the contrast color, we lay the main color over the contrast and knit this one stitch of contrast color through the back loop. Then we can just drop it and continue. If you hold the yarn in your right hand, I will go ahead and demonstrate that. So you've got the yarn in your right hand, you get to this point. Again, lay it over, knit through the back loop, just drop the contrast where it is, pick up and resume with your main color. I'll just knit quickly to the end of the row here, and then I'll show you how it looks on the back. So you can see that the contrast color just gets carried up, and the main color, if you look, this is this tiny little float that gets trapped by the contrast color. So that is your contrast vertical stranding.